Hey, tree rat, didn't I tell you last week to bug off? Look at him, turning my backyard into a 9-hole golf course out there, digging these holes all over the place. Gotta throw something at him, you know? From the harsh lighting conditions of what is almost the shortest day of the year, the sun is down and it's low and it's kind of behind me. Welcome to Smoky Goodness 2.0. Today featuring a recipe that has been handed down from one YouTuber to another we're doing the coveted and highly anticipated jalapeno popper pot pie thing. I saw Sal do this probably about a month ago. He got the recipe from a YouTube channel called The Bearded Griller. Oh, Sal's over here. And I saw both these videos. I said, man, I got to try that. There is a caveat though, maybe two caveats. Instead of one big pie, we're doing two smaller ones. The one for my son and myself, of course, are getting Bison Breakfast Sausage. I'm sorry about the wind out here. This is really distracting. Anyway, ingredients will be announced as they come into play. Oh, hey, I almost forgot to say, it all begins with a single flame. Number one, number two. Got a little bit of hickory. I've got just a couple of small chunks of hickory in there. The grill dome right now is running a temperature of about 400 degrees. I'm going to back that off just a little bit. These will be done when they're done. All right, we're about half an hour in, nowhere near being done, but did get the temperature back down to about 350 degrees like I wanted. I forgot to mention earlier that I am going to put a glaze on these right before they come off. I'm going to, it's going to help candy up the bacon, and I'm using this stuff right here. This is a Carolina style mustard based barbecue sauce called Private Selection Pale Ale and Mustard. Carolina style, and it's got ale in it. I've been sitting on this one for a long time. Also can't wait to try it. Thank you, Mr. David. This is gonna rock this dish, man. I can tell already. Haven't opened it yet. Don't need to. I know it's gonna be good. So once again, thanks, David. We really appreciate it. Boo-boo! What do you say we watch a little smoky goodness on YouTube?
I don't know, Yogi. What about the Ranger?
The Ranger watches too, boo-boo. He's smarter than the average bear. Yay! I want to give a shout out to CJ right there. I was wondering why I haven't given him a shout out yet. Well, I'm doing it now. Speaking of CJ, he hosts The Hot Seat every Thursday at 9 o'clock Eastern on YouTube. Go to his channel, join us. It is a blast. Even those of us who are just in the comment section. I have a blue wrench, by the way. Oh man, we have a blast every week. And like I said, he's the host of The Hot Seat, and I may be on the hot seat. You never know, in a month or 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe a year. Oh, and here comes his buddy. As if one wasn't enough, we gotta have 2 tree rats out here. Hey you guys, didn't I tell you last week to buzz off? Turning my backyard into a 18-hole golf course with all those holes you're digging out there. That ain't cool. And about an hour and 10 minutes into this, I think we're getting really close to being done. It's time to open this. Yeah, just check the temperatures, and they're right around 162, 163 in that range. I'm gonna start doing a little basting, mopping, what have you. But before we do that, gotta give this stuff a taste test, huh? Oh yeah, that's got a lot of mustard in it. I love it. So, let's get to it. Ooh, yeah, look at that, look at that. Looking good, smelling great, and the rain is beginning to fall. There we go. There we go. Yep, the rain, she is starting to fall. And the wind, she is picking up. Okay. That's a really thick sauce, man. It's gonna rock this bacon. That's for darn sure. All right. All right, we're gonna let that set up. I'm gonna get the camera inside. It's starting to rain. See you soon. There's my camera. My camera's inside. This may be a first. I don't even know if the audio's picking up, but we are outside. The camera's inside. It's really starting to come down now. So let's get this in, huh? Yes. Whoa! Look at that. Can you see that? You can see it, right? Looking good. Looking really good. That's right. Oh, yeah. All right, let's get these bad rabbits in the house and maybe let them rest for a moment. Avoiding as many raindrops as possible. See you inside. Look at that. That is a thing of beauty. I almost don't want to cut into it. The hell with that, I do. Wow. Yeah, the bacon got all caramelized from that barbecue sauce. Give it a shot. Wow, the bison, the bacon, everything plays well together. The cheese, it's a little heavy on the cheesy side, but hey, that's good. It's jalapeno cheese. Excellent, Sal. Excellent. And bearded griller, this rocks. Might be one of the most favorite things I've done out there to date. And that's going on 10 years, so give this one a try. You're gonna love it.